January 2020, it's the time when Prayagraj city is crowned with the beauty of talents from all over the world. But apart from this, I had a craze of flying an UAV. A UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, but they were quite costly. Although we could get drones for rupees 1500 also, but flying a drone without a camera is known as a quadcopter. But I wanted HD camera, durable battery life, and good frequency all together in an affordable cost. So, I started listing all those components required for my own drone. And it all started with some shopping. I'm using 4 BLDC motors of 2200 kilovolts. Let's come to the base of our drone. So for the base, I'm using a DJI F450 drone frame. I really like the color of this frame and that's why I bought this one. This drone frame comes with inbuilt power distribution PCB, which makes our work easier. For controlling our drone, I am using one FSCT 6-speed transmitter of FlySky. Now comes the another bonus point of our video. So these are the cells which I have collected from the dead batteries of my laptop, and they can be used easily in our drone also, and like this we are going to save lot of money. First, I've choose to fix all the props in my motors. Using a screwdriver, I've tightened up the props. Next, we have to fix the motors in the arms of our drone. Now I am connecting all the motors to Simon 30 ampere ESCs. As I told you, my drone frame is already having one inbuilt power distribution board, so that's why I'm cutting this wire from here and I'm gonna solder this to respected places. Now I'm soldering my battery to my drone. You can use this battery also, but right now I'm using 18650 battery because I'm having lots of them. Now it's time for our flight controller. This is LibrePilot CC3D, which is very stable and it's very cheap also. For setting up this flight controller, you would need a personal computer, and I'm leaving the setup videos link in the description of this video. Be very aware while connecting all the wires to your flight controller, because CC3D itself tells that it's very dangerous if you would misplace any of them. So see this diagram and do it carefully. Once done, don't forget to cross-check all the connections. This is the charm of our drone. It comes at very low cost with HD camera quality, recording facility and everything that we want in our drone, but it is used for security purposes in our homes and offices. For making our drone more unique, I am adding a switch of my own. For making this switch, I am using an old USB female jack and one USB Type A male connector, and here I am cross connecting all the wires. And whenever we'll plug in this USB connector, it will directly connect our battery to the drone. To make it more real like a key, I am adding a keychain also made of copper wire. And this is how the backside of my drone looks like. By the way, you all must be thinking that how the heck the color of the props got changed. Yeah, nobody's gonna be that much perfect, and so I had also did one mistake. So, if you also love your country India, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my new channel. I'll be back with some new projects. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and stay Volitant.